Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I will discuss about the crowdfunding. What is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is a method of raising funds for a project or venture by soliciting small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet. It involves creating a campaign or project proposal and then promoting it through various channels such as social media, email, and other online platforms. The goal is to generate enough interest and support from the crowd to meet or exceed the funding target. Types of crowdfunding. There are generally 4 types of crowdfunding, which are: donation-based crowdfunding. This type of crowdfunding involves asking people to donate money to a cause or a project without expecting any financial returns. It is usually used by charitable organizations, nonprofit organizations, or individuals who are raising funds for a good cause. Reward-based crowdfunding. This type of crowdfunding involves offering backers a reward in exchange for their contribution. Rewards can be anything from a simple thank you note, to a copy of the product being developed, or an exclusive experience related to the project. Equity-based crowdfunding. This type of crowdfunding involves offering backers equity or ownership in the company or project in exchange for their investment. This is often used by startups or early-stage businesses who are looking for funding to grow their business. Debt-based crowdfunding. This type of crowdfunding involves offering backers a fixed rate of return on their investment over a specified period of time. It is similar to a loan, where the borrower pays back the principal amount plus interest. Each type of crowdfunding has its own benefits and risks, and choosing the right type of crowdfunding depends on the goals and needs of the project or venture. How crowdfunding works. Crowdfunding works by raising funds from a large number of people, typically through an online platform. Here's how it generally works. Step 1. Choose a crowdfunding platform. There are many crowdfunding platforms available, each with its own rules, fees, and requirements. Choose a platform that aligns with your goals, audience, and type of project. Step 2. Create a campaign. Once you have chosen a platform, create a campaign or project page that explains your idea, what you plan to do with the funds, and why people should support your project. Step 3. Set a funding goal. Decide on the amount of money you need to raise to make your project a reality. Make sure the goal is realistic and achievable, and include any fees or expenses that you might incur. Step 4. Promote your campaign. Use social media, email, and other marketing channels to spread the word about your campaign and encourage people to contribute. Be clear about the benefits of supporting your project, and provide regular updates to keep backers engaged. Step 5. Collect funds. Once your campaign is live, people can start contributing to your project. Funds are typically collected through the crowdfunding platform, which deducts a fee for processing payments and managing the campaign. Step 6. Deliver rewards. If you have offered rewards to backers, make sure to fulfill them on time and as promised. This will help build trust and encourage people to support your future projects. Step 7. Thank your backers. Show your appreciation to your backers by sending personalized thank you messages, providing regular updates, and keeping them informed about the progress of your project. Overall, crowdfunding can be an effective way to raise funds, build a community of supporters, and test the viability of new ideas. However, it requires careful planning, marketing, and execution to be successful. Websites of crowdfunding. There are many crowdfunding websites available, each with its own focus, fees, and requirements. Here are some of the most popular crowdfunding websites. Kickstarter. One of the largest crowdfunding platforms, Kickstarter focuses on creative projects such as art, music, film, and technology. Indiegogo. A popular crowdfunding platform that supports a wide range of projects, including creative, charitable, and entrepreneurial ventures. GoFundMe. A crowdfunding platform that focuses on personal and charitable causes, such as medical expenses, education, and disaster relief. Patreon. A membership platform that enables creators to earn recurring revenue from their supporters in exchange for exclusive content and benefits. Seed Invest. A crowdfunding platform that connects startups with accredited investors who are looking to invest in early-stage companies. Crowdfunder, a platform that focuses on equity crowdfunding for startups and early-stage businesses. Fundable, a crowdfunding platform that specializes in raising capital for small businesses and startups. These platforms offer different types of crowdfunding, including donation-based, reward-based, equity-based, and debt-based crowdfunding. Before choosing a platform, it's important to research the platform's fees, requirements, and policies to determine if it's the right fit for your project. How to start crowdfunding. Starting a crowdfunding campaign can be a great way to raise funds for your project or idea. Here are the basic steps to start crowdfunding. Step 1. Research and choose a crowdfunding platform. Research different crowdfunding platforms to determine which one is the best fit for your project. Consider factors such as the platform's fees, target audience, and type of crowdfunding supported: donation-based, reward-based, equity-based, or debt-based. Step 2. Plan your campaign. Determine the amount of funding you need and create a detailed plan for how you will use the funds. Develop a compelling pitch that explains the purpose and benefits of your project to potential backers. Step 3. Create a campaign page. Once you've chosen a crowdfunding platform, create a campaign page that showcases your project and explains your goals. Use high-quality images, videos, and descriptions to attract potential backers. Step 4. Set a funding goal and rewards. Set a realistic funding goal that covers the costs of your project and any associated fees. Offer rewards to backers, such as early access to your product or exclusive merchandise, to incentivize contributions. Step 5. Launch your campaign. Once your campaign page is live, promote it on social media, email, and other channels to attract potential backers. Provide regular updates to keep backers engaged and informed about the progress of your project. Step 6. Collect funds and deliver rewards. If your campaign is successful, collect the funds through the crowdfunding platform and use them to complete your project. Fulfill your rewards on time and as promised to build trust and maintain engagement with your backers. Starting a crowdfunding campaign requires careful planning and execution, but it can be a rewarding way to raise funds, test new ideas, and build a community of supporters. If this video is helpful for you, please let me know in comment section which types of video content you want to see in future. You can subscribe this channel for getting the similar videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.